Welcome to the demo of QueryLens, a multilingual payments analytics assistant built with Azure OpenAI, Snowflake, and Streamlit. I am Sachin Gupta, and this is build number 3. So, the biggest problem in payments is that the data is messy. Different schemes like SEPA, SAT Inst, and SWIFT, multilingual rejection reasons, and evolving rulebooks make analytics slow and error prone. Analysts often spend too much time writing SQL instead of analyzing insights. So QueryLens solves this by letting analysts ask questions in English, French, or German. It translates natural language into validated SQL, runs it in Snowflake, and return results instantly. Here is the architecture. The Streamlit UI collects the query, detects the language, and builds a schema-aware prompt. Azure OpenAI translates it into SQL, which is validated before execution in Snowflake. Every query is logged for audit. We support English, French, and German. The system routes queries to the right columns, for example, rejection reason FR for French, and uses few short examples to guide the model. Accuracy and safety are critical. We validate every SQL output, block unsafe tokens, run dry runs before execution, and log every query for compliance. We have built confidence with test, unit test for NL to SQL conversion, first test for edge cases, and GitHub actions for continuous integration. We will have a demo walkthrough shortly. You can explore the full implementation on GitHub and read the detailed build article on Substacks. Links are included here. So let's go to the demo. Hi, let's go over the demo. So I'll run three payments to show you. So let's run this first one. Show me. It's a simple query where we're trying to find the SEPA payments which came in with currency USD. So this is the UI and we click enter. And now what is happening in this backend? We have converted this natural language into a SQL query and we can see the query results down here. Right, so all the payments that are with USD are listed. And there is an option to look at all the query history, what all queries have been submitted. You can also download the results as a CSV. So let's say for last 2 days. So for French, for country France, and click enter. If you look at this, country code is taken as FR and then a query is run. Now let's look at a query in French and first German. Okay, let's look at this query. Alright, so it correctly translated country code as German. And here we are trying to find the count of transactions. There is a visualization as well. So we had 70 transactions. Now let's see a query in French. Here the query was successfully done. We are trying to find rejected payments for SAT Inst. And here also we can download results. So you see this tool allows us to for three languages and more languages can be added based on the need. Thank you.